Help continues to pour to the people hit hard by the killer 7.8 magnitude quake that rocked and laid waste, especially in the provinces of the Soc-Sargen and Davao regions. Among the latest benefactors to the humanitarian cause, the Land Transportation Main Office, which has conjured up and created its own relief family survival packs to be dispatched to the hard-hit areas, as our JM Thompson reports.
Relief packs are now ready at the Land Transportation Office or LTO Central Office in Quezon City, which are expected to be brought to those affected by earthquake in Mindanao. Under Oplan Tulong Mindanao, the LTO conducted a relief operation led by LTO Chief Assistant Secretary Marcos Lacanilao.
Alam naman natin na marami sa probinsya na hindi pa na rin nararating ng mga iba't ibang tulong dahil nga sa sitwasyon, maaring yung kalye at hirap din na maapaabot. Pero kami dito sa LTO, nagtulong-tulong yung mga empleyado, opisyal.
Through the cooperation and voluntary contributions of the officials and employees of the LTO Central Office, up to 2,000 relief packs are now ready here at the LTO Central Office. These contain 5 kilos of rice, noodles, and canned goods. This is just the beginning, and more food items are expected to arrive, which they will also use to help the earthquake victims in Mindanao.
Kami po na nakita ho namin ang kalagayan po ninyo. Meron pong mga lugar, especially sa may Sarangani, sa may Davao region, na nakita na rin natin na talagang mga naperwisyo, kawawa yung mga kababayan natin. So kami po dito, tulong-tulong po kami, papaabot, sisiguraduhin po namin kahit papano ay makatulong po, makapaabot po kami ng tulong sa inyo.
Until now, several aftershocks are still being experienced in some parts of Mindanao. Because of this, many residents have temporarily stopped earning a living, especially those who are most affected by the earthquake. Which is why the distributions from government agencies are a huge help to them. Meanwhile, to properly deliver the relief packs to the residents in Mindanao, the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH is ensuring their continuous repair of roads and bridges affected by the earthquake. They have already repaired some of these, making them passable for relief operations to deliver assistance to the residents. The agency is also assisting with local road repair and conducting assessments and emergency repair works on critical infrastructure such as hospitals, health facilities, and schools. JM Thompson, for The Nation.